What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another Zabbix video. In this video we are talking about modular window and is there any possibility to move them around, and I'm talking about in particular about data collection hosts. And when I click here, like, this is a window, and sometimes we want to drag around this window, but it's not possible, and this video is about to solve that problem. So everything is based on the front-end module. We have our friend Gregory. I work in Zabbix, Gregory work in Zabbix, and we both are friends. And there is like a nice module developed like 4 days ago. And when I saw this today, I did have a tear coming out of my eye, and it was so much pleasant to see the outcome. So yeah, this is the module. The URL is in the link in the video description. To install the module, we need access to the front-end server. Here from the GitHub, let's click on this green button, code, and there is download zip file. Here right click, copy link address, and now I can enter like an SSH terminal here, and the front end is located user share Zabbix here, and there is a special directory modules, cd modules, and we can widget like download this module right here. Okay, it's there, unzip here, unzip and main, and we can remove this file main.zip, and the front end is now, like, the module is now installed in the file system, and we need just to create few clicks in the front end. So right now, in the front end, you need to have super administrator rights, administration general, modules, and click the button scan directory, and voila, we have something new from the great B, and click disable, and that's it. Now at the user profile here on the left side, user settings, profile, we have a new tab, UI tweaks, and I like really this guy. So enable drag of module on Windows, update, and now when we design triggers, for example, hosts and triggers and create trigger, and here I usually click add button, and this, like, now I can move this guy around. It's so much pleasure. Like, I can see this very useful for the audience who is documenting Zabbix and creating like new blog posts, new tutorials, how to do this and that. So this can be like crazy useful for them. And here even, like, it's quite interesting that multiple levels are supported. This is popping up and you can move around, and when you click add, you can move this around. This time, like, this window is quite big, but you get the point. Yeah, so it's very awesome, I think. And also, like, the other functionality, let's go back to the user profile, click profile and tweaks, enable sticky filters update, and this is what it does. It is when we explore the problems, like, you see this big white window. But if we would have like a list of probably, let's go to the items. So data collection, hosts, and items, and items page out from the box is limited to the 500 items. And so if I would filter out something like here agent type, and now this where is it? Click filter. Yeah, this is kind of overlapping here, at least with my font size. If I set it smaller, so it is kind of like below that window. Maybe here, yeah, here we can see now the outcome. If that is overlapping there, it's there. Okay, yeah, I am not truly happy about this behavior. Let's be honest, like, something is missing here. I can kind of tell like this is the root cause. There are so many lines, and now it is causing a trouble. This particular like functionality I did test in the problems page, and like here the window is very small. Like when we open this page, like half of the page is free already, and that would be the key point of using that other checkbox. If this is your daily job, like you keep this thing on the top of everything. Like since this is a fresh appliance, I cannot really demonstrate this outcome. Maybe let's try another approach, hosts triggers, which is not having too much things. Okay, so here this block is kind of tiny. It's taking 1/3 of the screen, and if I scroll, you see like the top of the page is sticking, and so that's the meaning of that other checkbox. Yeah, I'm super excited about the first one, and I can totally see that the second one is probably useful to someone, but for me, like the ideal setup is this one. Enable the dragging model windows, and that's awesome. Just to demonstrate one more time, like even if we go alerts and actions, triggers, and if I click create action, so this window, if I need to create a screenshot here, how to create an action, like I can resize this guy whenever I like, and when I click here add condition, I can resize this as well, like where it need to be. I mean drag, like move around this window. Yeah. So that's it for today. If you find this functionality useful, give it a thumbs up. If you fancy to have this on the 6.0, like this one is available today for the 6.4. If you fancy to have that in the 6.0, leave a comment down. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.